One of the things when producing a TV show that you do have to take into consideration is what camera equipment and mic gear that you use. Now, at the moment I'm running a Sony type Handycam, which is a small little unit. Probably a little bit too small because the smaller the camera is, the harder they are to hold straight. And you see it all over YouTube where people have used Handycams, and the motion reduction just leaves you feeling seasick at the end of it. I've actually got camera rigs that they will fit into, which increase the overall size of the camera so they don't move around quite so much. I have a Nikon D7200 type camera, which does similar performance specs, but is a lot heavier and bulkier. Again, being a DSLR type camera, you'd hold on to it more or less like you would with a DSLR, but because you can't utilise your lens, that feels more like shooting with an iPhone or something like that. And other cameras that I do employ are the Sony action camera of some description. It's a little beat up, it's had a good hard life, although I'm looking at adding a couple of GoPros for exterior shots. And the other thing, which has got a head strap, can be strapped to my head.